Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell how to download Visual Studio Code or HTML or CSS in PC or in Windows 11 10.8.7. Let's go to computer screen. If you haven't subscribe my channel to get technical video. Download the APK file link given in description. Then double click on APK file. A page will come up on the screen. You can read or you can ignore it, then click on next. Then select your place where you want to keep this file as per your requirement, then click on OK. Then click on next. Then click on next. You can choose option as per your requirement. I will click on. If you don't have any idea, select all and click on next. It will automatically start compressing. Wait few seconds till finish that. Now your Visual Code Studio is ready to run. See, my previous ESUS project is opened. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click on like button. For more videos, subscribe my channel.